Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 8th of September. First of all, national news. PM Kisan scheme, 21 lakh farmers selected in UP found ineligible. Assam government felicitated meritorious students of HSLC class 10th exam 2022. No plan to merge NEET G with Common University Entrance Test for next 2 years center. Congress launched its nationwide BHARAT JODO YATRA in Tamil Nadu. Born between India-Bangladesh forged in blood 50 years ago. S. Jaishankar. Karnataka will seek special grant from Centre for Bengaluru rain havoc. Supreme Court allowed fact checker to approach High Court against complaint. Now some international news. US military successfully test intercontinental ballistic missile. Barack Michelle Obama to be honored with official portraits in White House. Russia will post budget surplus this year. Vladimir Putin. Israel will unveil 2,700-year-old extremely rare Iron Age papyrus note. European Commission proposed 5 billion euros in financial aid to Ukraine. Hillary Clinton said she will not run for US president in 2024. Xi Jinping, Vladimir Putin will meet in Uzbekistan next week. Vedant Patel, first Indian American to hold daily US State Department press briefing. And now some sports news. Chelsea on Wednesday announced that they have parted ways with manager Thomas Tuchel. India's Anupama Upadhyay became new junior world number 1 in BWF rankings. SAF Women's Championships, India blank Pakistan 3-0 to start campaign on a high. News related to business. Sensex Nifty fall for second straight session on global economic gloom. Digital currency will cut cross-border payments, cost RBI Deputy Governor. Planning to take international trade to $2 trillion by 2030, Piyush Goyal. No current plan to start manufacturing in India, says Intel. Bill on data privacy will be ready soon, says Nirmala Sitharaman. And have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 8th of September, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 36 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 26 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.